Before starting a software engineering degree, I thought good days were everything, but 2 years later, I have learned the real mistakes. Most first years didn't. If you are about to start your BS in software engineering, there are 5 lessons I wish someone had told me one day on day one. Mistake 1. Ignoring project. Focus only on grades. Project teach you more than exams ever will. Build small apps, join hackathons, contribute to open source. Start in your first semester, which I have not. Mistake number 2, poor time management. Treating university like high school, which I have done, so don't do this mistake. Lab, assignment, projects, presentation, self-study, find it fast. Use a planner or apps like Notion and Google Calendar to train deadlines. Otherwise, not as well in your notebook up to there. Anything, any app, not. Make a plan. That's a good. Well, it's not like about to create a timetable, but trick your deadlines. So you have done some productive work as well. Mistake number 3, skipping networking. My third mistake, ignoring networking. This is the biggest mistake ever if you are starting your career. Biggest ever mistake. In my 3 year, I have not won like your my classmates, seniors, and professor. I'm not just talk about related assignment with not others. So these can connect you to internship and freelance work. Also attend events, take mentorships, and talk to seniors early. Seniors not only in university, less like your in Facebook, on LinkedIn, in Instagram, social media. Those who are senior in their field, these are also small. It's not compulsory in university, like Jeta, which I taught. Starts networking in university as well, social media. My mistake number 4, no only skills. Fourth mistake, dabbling in everything but mastering nothing. This is my biggest ever mistake. I know everything. I start my journey in 20 videos which I share, guys, don't worry. But I've done everything. I know e-commerce, Amazon, Etsy, eBay, digital marketing. I know the every. I know the content outline for everything. Like Google Ads, what's the purpose of this? I know the purpose. I know SEO, which SEO and by like my core skills, my core career. But I know everything. I know video automation. I don't know what I don't know. I think so. I know everything. Right now, I know AI agents. I know everything. But guys, just pick one technical skill. So I just pick on that time skill, and then I share with you. But in my fifth semester, I take certain Bible development. These two I take. So just pick and go deep by year. My mistake number 5, waiting for the right time. Fifth mistake, waiting until you feel ready. Guys, don't be wait for the right time. Right time will never become. So start missing. I then in my 24th year, I just start. Whatever I start, I share my everything on my social media. Start my personal branding. I post on projects. I post my project mini apps, my documentary journey, my care also post my reels, my what I learn. I just post. So write about what you learn. Write about what you learn, what you achieve, what you observe. Everything. Just share on your social media. Guys, this is social media is the biggest but the biggest blessing for Genjis, for mine, for you as well. Your growth begins the moment you start creating. This is the truth, guys. When you start, if you are beginning your software engineering, remember, project our gifts, manage your time, build relationship, master a skill, and start today. Subscribe for more episodes of my university journey. Every week I share lessons from my 7th semester and 3 years of field experience in my life and university. Thank you very much.